Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. This week we're going to work on replacing the door speakers. We have the R165x3s, the door speakers. They're 90 watt peak, 45 watt RMS. They're the single 4 ohm speaker. They're the 6.5 inch speaker that goes in the doors. This is what they look like. They're the 3-way, so they ought to sound really good. And here's your mounting plate for it. Get all these mounted up, ready to go. On these door speakers, we won't have to worry about putting on the cover plates for it. Got one around here somewhere. See, these have the cover plates, but we won't be needing them. The car has a cover plate in the door panel. But these are going to sound really good. These are the original speakers that came in the car. They're the Bossum Premium Audio. They sound really good. They're like a component speaker. This is like the mid-range, and then you got your tweeter up by the door. But these sound good, but we'll give these here a shot and see what they look like. See what they sound like. Got one of these mounted to the mounting plate for the doors. I got these speakers off of Crutchfield. So let's go to the car and get started. Okay, to pull this panel off, you got a little cover right under here. Then you have a T30. Got to change out here. T30 Torx bit. Right in here. And then behind here you got another one. Pull the little cover off. And then you got a 7mm in behind that one. And you also have 7mm around the door itself, around the edge of the door. Another one down here. These are so loose I can take them off without even using a ratchet. I'm gonna get your plastic trim tool. Popping them open. And you also got some up here at the top. It's like it's falling right apart, isn't it? You need a Phillips screwdriver. Got a tweeter here. Lay that aside. I took enough wires off that I can just leave it laying like this. Now I can get a 7mm pull the speaker out now without having to detach everything. Okay, now we're ready to pull the speaker out. Maybe. Okay. Okay, now we got the speaker out. A little bit dark in here, but so we can't get this done. Plug this speaker back in. Don't drop it. Okay. Stick it down in the slot there. And when you get ready to put your speaker back in, you may want to get you a box or I got a little trash can here holding the door panel up. Sure makes it a lot easier. Okay, we're going to tighten that up a little bit. That should be good to go. Now all we gotta do is plug in what we unplugged. This is the LED lights along this strip here. I think that was the only one that I unplugged. That sure makes it a lot easier that way. Oh, here's the tweeter speaker. That goes up through the hole here. You got your door lock back here. Run it up through that. Everything lined up good. Now we get the 7mm bolts here. Put it back in. Okay, on the passenger side we got the whole door removed, or door panel removed. Got the speaker in, so now I'm ready to start assembling the door panel. You may find it easier to take off the whole door panel if you want to do it that way. Now start plugging this stuff in. This is your door locks on this one. This is your LED lighting on the door panels. This one would be a tweeter. You need to steer out your door handle to do it. Like a little ball that goes down in there and you pull it back. There you go. Okay. The tweeter. Tighten up that screw there. The tweeter. Now we're ready to hang it on the door. Oh, about forgot one thing. Edge lighting that goes around the door here. See, it plugs in right there. This LED lighting that goes right on this edge right here. Oh, it pops in pretty easy. Now I gotta start putting the screws in. It don't matter what order you put it in. We'll start with this big T30 here. Yeah, you can either take the door panels clear off, or you can do like I did on the driver's side, just kind of raise it up and hold it up with a trash can or something, while you just swap out the speaker. It's pretty simple either way. But on the passenger side, on this side, you got a lot more connectors to put back on. So whatever makes it easy for you. Now just put on a little cover. Okay, as we get this finished up, I want to thank Marshall Fury for suggesting the speakers and the door panels. So if any of you have any suggestions on what mods you'd like to see on this car, then drop a link down below. I'll see about getting them put in. So now we got one more 7mm. It goes right here in the door handle. Okay, the last cover. That's it. Okay, my very first subscriber, Marshall Fury. These speakers are yours. If you want them, all I gotta do is have your address. So get me your address somehow, and the other speaker's still in the car, so I have to get it out, box them up in this box right here, and then send them out to you. So all I gotta do is have your address.